Welcome back to my channel. So today I made this ABG makeup look, and if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. I already moisturized my lips using the Tinted Lipscreen from Sunglow by Fresh in the shade Sunkissed. For my foundation, I used my newest cushion from Peach C. Sobrang kinabahan ako kasi yung shade niya is the lightest shade. So, this is the packaging of the Peach C cushion. I wanted to show you kung anong itsura niya sa loob, but then I realized ko na baliktad siya. So, here, ito yung itsura niya sa loob. There's a mirror inside, a cute little puff, and hindi circle yung shape niya. It looks like a peach. And then, inside, meron ding cover yung pinaka-cushion na kailangan mong i-remove to see the foundation itself. The moment of truth. So, yan. Tinry ko na siya for the first time and I realized na ang white na talaga. But then, tinry ko pa rin siyang i-apply all over my face. By the way, I got this cushion in Carrie's shop. And nakita ko siya sa feed ni Jewel Mesina. So, I bought this one. Actually, alam ko, ang bibilin ko dapat yung shade number 2, but then hindi na available pati yung shade number 3. So, gustong-gusto ko na siyang bilhin. So, binili ko na siya kahit alam kong light yung shade niya sa akin. So, it's my fault na hindi ko kakulay yung foundation. Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck. Even though maputi yung shade para sa skin tone ko, I still love it kasi hindi masyadong obvious. Since the cushion is a bit light for me, I added a bit of this Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation. And yun, tumatawa ko kasi tinatawanan ako ng sister ko. Ang light daw kasi ng foundation ko. So, yan. I only added the Bilena foundation sa side ng face ko kung saan ako normally nagko-contour. Hinayaan ko ng light yung other parts ng face ko kasi I like how it looks like, parang nababrighten up yung itsura ko. After a while, na-realize ko na nag-oxidize yung cushion ko. So, off-cam, maganda na siya tignan unlike sa camera na parang ang puti-puti ko. For my concealer, I use my Saem Tip Concealer in the shade 1.5. At first, nag-hesitate ako kung ito yung gagamitin kong concealer kasi I think darker siya sa cushion ko, and yes, darker nga siya sa cushion ko. So, I decided to put another layer of my cushion above my concealer to make it a bit lighter. In the end, naging okay naman. So, moving on to my contour. For my cream contour, I use the Careline contour stick. Maybe at this point, na-realize nyo na may something new sa video ko, which is nagda-Taglish ako sa dub. So, before, I don't really speak Filipino sa pagdadub ko, and nasanay talaga ako na straight English pagdadub, so I'm not really comfortable, but I hope kayong nanonood is comfortable and na-feel yung mas friendly yung gantong sound. So if you think hindi siya comfortable pakinggan, just leave it in the comment section below. Or if you want more videos na medyo nagfi-Filipino ako, then please leave it in the comment section below then. Thank you! For baking, I used my Nichido final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. I bake the areas where I usually oil up, which is the middle part of my nose and then under my eyes. To fill in my brows, I use my Nichido Eyebrow pencil in the shade Gingerbread. To set my brows, I used this brow soap from Good Brow in the shade Black. Using a fluffy brush, I brushed off yung mga powder na ginamit ko for baking, and yung excess na naiwan sa brush is nilagay ko all over my face and on my neck. For my powder contour, I used this Vice Cosmetics contour powder in the shade Porshur. I didn't realize na nandun yung kapatid ko sa gilid, but yeah, that's Monique. For my eyeshadow, I use my Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I applied this light shade all over my lids. I also applied this on my outer lower lash line. Then, I grabbed this darker shade and applied it in the middle part ng upper lash line ko up to the outer part of it, and then also sa outer lower lash line. Then I grabbed another color, which is darker than my previous eyeshadows, and applied it on my outer V and on my outer lower lash line. Then I grabbed this brown color and applied it on my outer V and on my outer lower lash line. I made sure to apply it in the areas na pinakamalapit sa lashes ko. Using a fluffy brush, I blended my eyeshadow outwards. For my eyeliner, I used my Careline Graph Ink Liner, and of course, I needed a little help from my mirror. I believe that doing eyeliner is always the hardest thing to do. I think there are some na nakaka-relate sa akin, so hi everyone! Then I applied another shade, which is this brown, sa upper part ng eyeliner ko to make it a bit darker and to smudge a little the eyeliner. I curled my lashes using my Nichido eyelash curler, my favorite eyelash curler, the most affordable one, na sa tingin ko is the best. For my mascara, I use my Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara. For my blush, I used this Peach Palette eyeshadow from Squad Cosmetics. Yes, this is an eyeshadow, but I really love the color and it looks good as a blush. Then I grabbed this brownish color and applied it above my previous blush to lessen the pinkish color and to balance the look. Then I grabbed my fluffy brush again and buffed my blush on a bit kasi medyo nagdadarkan ako, so I added a little translucent powder and that looks better. For my lipstick, I used this one from Maybelline in the shade Toasted Brown. I smudged the outer part of my lips so that it would look more plump. For my highlighter, I used this palette from the BT21 collection of Vice Cosmetics in the shade Pink Orchid. I applied highlighter in the areas where I usually put it. So on my cheekbones, brow bones, in the middle part of my nose, in the inner corners of my eyes, and on my cupid's bow. After putting this, we're done. Here's the final look.
So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you have any suggestion, please leave it on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Lazada budol from Tony Sia, the Body Love collection. Yay! Follow me on Instagram at annamargajose. Bye!